Welcome to Biology's course overview. I'm going to go through my expectations and also how to find things in this course. It's going to be a great year. It's going to be a challenging year for you, but I know you can do it. And to help ensure that you do well in this class, I have some expectations of you, and that is that you are ready to learn, that you are responsible for all of your actions, and that you are respectful to all. That includes yourself. It is most important that we respect ourselves and our ability to struggle. Learning is not easy. It is a struggle, but we want to participate to help us learn, and that we are responsible for knowing when our assignments are due and completing them, along with communicating your struggles. So this video is to help show you what is available to help you in this course. Please remember that persistence is the best indicator of success. There are things in this course to help you, like all the CC sessions, all the Class Connect sessions are there to help you. And completing these assignments are there to help you learn. So completing those assignments on time will reduce your stress and make it easier for you to learn. I'm completely here to help you, but I can't read your mind. So I'm not going to know if you're having issues with the computer, or that you're struggling with your learning, or that you're having a personal issue in your life and need an extension. I understand that life is happening. I do. My life happens every day too. So I expect that you contact me, and there are several options if you need help, if you need extra support. One is the class sessions at the end of class. I try to make time to let me know that you have some questions, and I'll try to answer those. You can also email me or call me. And then if you have any tech issues, any problems with the systems that you're using, the computer, please call tech support. That phone number, you probably want to paste these phone numbers somewhere. I keep mine taped to my computer in a corner so that I know who to call and how to get a hold of them. I don't have to look that up. There is a late policy. Please look at it, pay attention to it. Know that units will close, and at that point the work won't be available. And that's not a punishment. That's to help reduce your stress load. If you're trying to do a unit 1 work when we're in unit 4, it's only going to create stress for you. So if you have problems, please contact me. Please be working in this every day. It will really, really reduce your stress. The other great thing about this is that you can have some retakes. I understand that we're learning, and sometimes we were not expecting the grade we were. We were hoping to do better. So you will have the ability to retake some things. There's some helps there to help you out that you do need to take advantage of to help you. But remember, there still is a lockout date, and you need to complete those before the lockout date. There's also some extra credit in there. All extra credit must be done by the due date for credit. So there's some review sheets, and there's occasional extra credit in biology A. I think there is more in biology B. However, there's some conditions with this because it is extra credit. So please pause and read those. I want to show you how to log into your biology course. And I'll do that first on the recording, and then I'll also show it to you in this segment. So once you go log into the online learning system, you'll see it's called the OLS. What you're going to do is see something like this. Up here, you want to click the middle button. The top one will show you your schedule. The middle one will show you your courses. Your courses obviously won't all be biology, so you're going to want to click on whichever course you want to enter. And when you do that, what you're going to do is now see all the class content. That's your biology book. Class plan, that's the calendar. Class announcements, I'll share some things with you. You can also see some other tips and links in here, but all of the labs and textbooks are right in here. You'll be able to find the calendar in two ways. One is the electronic calendar that's built in, and there's another, you'll find a link that says biology calendar where you can view everything by week. It's a little color coded for me, so I set up the year and we follow that too. So either way, you can use that. When you are clicking here on the left, what you want to do is, each one of these is the unit, and then when you click on that tab, what will happen is that it will open up all the lessons below. It will also open the lessons below on the right, and you'll want to go in and click on each of those. This is your textbook itself. You'll also find some helps and other things in there for you. In the first part of the lesson introduction, you'll find some study guides that will help you if you would like to take notes for each lesson. They're PDFs where you can download or print to help you study. There'll also be PowerPoints for each of the class lessons that you can take notes on. I really recommend notes so that you can remember what you're learning. And all of the labs, all of the assignments will be in the course. Here's an example of a virtual lab. So our labs will be virtual on camera. You don't have to worry about getting supplies in the mail. We'll be doing them together. It's a lot of fun. I've also have some unit helps in there to help you study. I know that for some of you, learning is difficult and it's a challenge. We have a lot of vocabulary in science. So there's some helps for every unit where you can get links to the PowerPoints that have gone through the Class Connects, and you can also get the recordings. In some cases, some helps like Quizlet, some extra videos, anything I can do to help support you. There's also another section in each of this biology sets called Student Resources. You'll find it under the course material before the units. These are just extra helps of, hey, I don't remember how to get into Lockdown Browser, or I'm not sure how to insert a picture into my lab. There could be also things like using these tools like the Dropbox, tutorials for all kinds of things, the snipping tool. So please go through, look at those, use them. They're there to help you. All of the assignments you'll find are in the coursework. That includes the exit tickets, Dropbox assignments, quizzes, and attendance. So quizzes are based on question marks. Dropboxes, it kind of looks like an old-fashioned inbox, like right here. There'll be Word documents for things that you're asked to work on, and review sheet. It's assignments that you can save and complete, download for yourselves to work on. Attendance is taken for each day. What you'll see is for each day there'll be a attendance fill in the blank quiz. That's how you will show that you are participating in the Class Connect sessions, is that you'll get the code word. You'll get a screen like this and it will have a code word right here where it says code word. You'll enter that by a fill in the blank quiz, and that will be case sensitive and correctly spelled. You'll need to do spell that correctly. If you have any problems, you can just email me if you have need help resetting something. But those are the basic ideas. If you want to check your grades, there is a grades tab to help you out. So you can check your current grade. If you see a dash, it means it hasn't been graded yet, but you should see all of your information. You're going to want to check that. And then, of course, if you have any questions, you definitely want to ask those questions. Don't hold on to them. Don't think that it's a stupid question, because if you're not sure, you need to check. All right, so I wanted to show you, here is my schedule and my classes and announcements. I want to click on my classes. I'm going to enter into the biology section here. And you'll see class content. I have the caret sideways. If I open it up, see, I can find all kinds of links, student resources, Quizlet, there's the schedule, and then the units. So I can click on that. To go into the content, I can click on any of these folders, or I can come up here and click on content. You'll see the class plan is empty right now because it's not active. It's not during the school year. So course material, the syllabus, student resources, the Quizlet folder. So you can, like I said, you just click on these and they open up. So I'll click on Unit 1 and it will open up all the resources that are available to you. To help you as you learn. Hold on, my system's a little frozen. So you'll click into this content. There we go. And each one of these, there's your reading. It will show you, it will open up your reading book. You can go through it. There's more pictures, lesson plan. Oh, there's the study guide if I want to use that. Can download that. And then it will go through each of the reading assignments. If I go, I'm going to go back a little bit, show you one of the virtual labs. So you can see all of these things. Oh, look, and it will give you a check mark that you've done it. So we'll go into, I'm going to pick up a lab real quick. So if I have a lab assignment, you'll see that there's our virtual lab. It's right there. Another thing I wanted to show you is some of the extra helps I've added. Some areas have more extra helps than others. So you'll have instructions on how to do the lab, but there might be some videos and things to help you learn the material. Along with the quiz. If there's a quiz, you can take that to check your understanding. Even if it's extra credit, I recommend you check your understanding. And then, of course, the attendance, which I said will be there. So I think that is about everything. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I know that we'll have a great year together. Your persistence will pay off. Please make sure to contact me anytime you have any issues. Have a great day.